Administrators of the Clarkstown Primary School in Trelawney have been ordered to begin disciplinary investigations into the matter concerning the 7-year-old boy who was allegedly physically assaulted by 4 of his peers last month. The directive has come from Education Minister Ruel Reid. He made the revelation while responding to questions from the media following an early childhood development conference in Montego Bay, St. James today. TVJ's Lana Franklin has this primetime news follow-up.
Education Minister Ruel Reid says based on the reports received from the Child Development Agency CDA and the Ministry of Education's Region 3, the incident in which a 7-year-old boy was reportedly assaulted by other students at the Clarkstown Primary School was a critical incident that should have been captured by the school. He says the school authorities should have dealt with it as such.
I'm in a position now to say that clearly the school now need to act appropriately by carrying out a disciplinary investigation and do what it should do. And the board now is going to be required to give a full report to the minister as the regulation requires.
He outlined the possible actions that could be taken against the children involved.
It's a very serious matter. The authorities have the option to suspend the student, have the board carry a full investigation, which is like a hearing where all the parties are heard in the matter, evidence put forward, witnesses, etc. And the board make a determination whether there should be any further suspension, reprimand, or exclusion from the school. And that is what the law currently provides.
The Education Minister says he is expecting his Chief Education Officer, Dr. Grace McLean, to submit a full report on the matter by the end of November. The controversial issue came to light after the mother of the child reported that on October 30, her 7-year-old son, who attends the Clarkstown Primary School, told her that 4 boys held him down in the school's bathroom and inserted a piece of stick in his rectum. The mother took her child to the Falmouth Hospital, where he was treated and given medication. The mother also said she made at least 3 attempts to report the matter to the Clarkstown police station, but ended up in jail on the 2nd attempt for disorderly conduct. She is to face the court on Friday. Lana Franklin, TVJ News.